Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone using OTG. First, understand that OTG, or on the go, allows your smartphone to act as a host for other USB devices. This means you can plug in things like a flash drive, keyboard, or even a game controller directly into your phone. You'll need a special OTG adapter, which typically has a micro USB or USB-C connector for your phone and a standard USB-A port for your peripheral. It's a simple and powerful way to expand your phone's capabilities. Connecting a peripheral is straightforward. Begin by plugging the OTG adapter into your phone's charging port, whether it's USB-C or micro USB. Next, take your USB device, such as a flash drive or a mouse, and connect it to the standard USB-A port on the OTG adapter. In most cases, your phone will automatically detect the connected device and prompt you to access its contents or begin using it. If not, check your phone's notification panel for options. OTG offers many practical uses. You can easily transfer files, like photos or documents, between a USB drive and your phone without needing a computer. Connecting a mouse or keyboard can transform your phone into a more productive workstation, making typing and navigation much simpler. Before purchasing an adapter, always confirm your phone supports OTG functionality, as not all devices do. You can often find this information in your phone's specifications or by using an OTG checker app. For advanced users, certain third-party applications can provide enhanced control over your OTG-connected devices, offering more robust file management or specific peripheral support. If you plan to connect power-hungry devices like external hard drives, consider using a powered USB hub with your OTG setup to ensure sufficient power delivery. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your tech and daily life. This can prevent connectivity issues and ensure stable operation for all your accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.